Hi there, Don here from Can I Do That in Salesforce? What are we going to cover off today? What is Salesforce? It's one of the most commonly asked questions about the platform. Well, who the hell am I? My name is Don. I used to work in Salesforce as an account executive. I've recently moved into a Salesforce implementation partner, which is part of the team that'll help configure and train people on the platform. Been around the ecosystem for just over 3 years now, and I'm here to give you more information about what it is and what you can do with the platform. Really quick, what is Salesforce? CRM, client relationship management. So you think of your business or your company, you'll often have a lot of touch points with your customers, whether it's on the phone, people walking through in the shop, email, LinkedIn, whatever it is, you'll always interact with your customers. And companies use a CRM, client relationship management tool, to store all that information about their customers, who they are, what they're interested in, phone numbers, emails, bills, whatever it is. So it's that customer facing element. So you can really think of it as a huge database to store that information so you can get closer to your customers. So if I jump over here onto the Salesforce website and I click here in the top left hand side and look at products, you can see that sales is obviously there, but the company has evolved a lot more than that. They have a huge offering in the service space, marketing, commerce, data cloud, Tableau, MuleSoft. These are data and integration tools. So it's morphing into a bigger beast outside of just storing information on your customers. Well, let's go in and have a really quick look at what you can do inside of Salesforce. So this would be an open up onto a dashboard. At the moment, we're looking at leads. So across the top here, home, opportunities, leads, tasks, files, accounts. These are things you might be familiar with in your business. But all these drop downs here in the top, in Salesforce, they're called objects. For the best way to explain that really is if we jump into our good old friend Excel, and those objects would be the same as the sheet that's down here in the bottom of the Excel page. So if we jump back into Salesforce, everything across here might look like a sheet inside of Salesforce. A sheet inside of Excel. And then if we jump back into Excel again, each line item and the cell and all the information held in the rows, those would also be stored in Salesforce as records, which is what you're looking at here, information about your customers. And you can see that there's also a path given to you based on what you want to do with this customer. In this case, it's a lead, and what do you want to do with leads? You want to convert them. So once you go out and you start using the tool, you'll quickly morph out of Excel and into a collaborative space where you can use automation and a huge amount of different tools like AI baked into the system for you to go out and run your business more effectively. So that's a little quick snapshot into what Salesforce is. The company was started in 1999. The reason for that was they wanted to give cloud software to companies who could no longer afford having on-premise enterprise software. And it was initially designed for sales people to go out and sell more deals and advance their opportunities a lot faster. But it's morphed into a lot today. So hopefully on this channel, I'll keep you up to date on some of the cool things that people like to do when using Salesforce. If you're into this sort of stuff, please do hit subscribe, leave a comment on the bottom as well, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.